Good evening, I'm Ann Craig.
And I'm Darren Kramer. A West Haven man has won a $12 million settlement against East Haven police after he was badly hurt by a drunk driver 7 years ago.
Well, the man who hit him was picked up by East Haven police, who dropped him off at home. Then he got back in his car and went out driving again. News 8's Noel Gardner is live in the New Haven newsroom with the exclusive police dispatch recordings. Noel.
Ann and Darren, attorneys for the victim tell me the East Haven Police Department helped out their intoxicated friend by giving the man a ride home and then the keys to his vehicle. Less than an hour later, that man would hit a West Haven resident. A jury sides with 25-year-old Thomas Ventura, who says police were responsible for his injuries when he was struck in 2006. It all started at the drive-thru of the East Haven McDonald's when police received a call of a man driving erratically.
The guy behind us, I'm not sure if he's on drugs or if he's drunk. He punched first. There's a big punch mark on his windshield. He's punching the ceiling. He's nodding out. He almost hit us in the drive-thru.
Police responding to the disturbance identify the man driving the cargo van as Vladimir Trinka. Minutes later, East Haven officers chauffeur Trinka to his house.
Have the mail half and transport for the residents on town.
He gets home. He's got his keys. The police have abandoned the scene. He walks immediately back to the truck. He then drives.
Ventura was getting into his car on Townsend Avenue when he was struck by a van driven by Trinka. The impact sending him 20 feet in the air, Ventura landing on his head, causing serious injuries. The New Haven Fire Department received a call at 12:18 a.m. According to dispatch records, that's 54 minutes after East Haven police officers dropped Vladimir Trinka off at his home. A judge ruled that officers were negligent in deciding to bring Trinka home rather than arrest him and tow his unregistered vehicle. Attorneys for the victim say the responsibility of the East Haven police officers was to keep the public safe, not to favor their intoxicated friends.
East Haven Police Lieutenant DeRosa.
Mike, Darvel, Trinka's house.
Does it look like the truck?
That's that's the truck. Darvel on Townsend Ave. I got his address in my notebook from that fight I'm investigating.
Yeah. I hope not either. Possibly maybe one of his workers, maybe.
I don't know. All right.
Now, the town is insured, but according to lawyers I spoke with, it failed to notify the insured to protect taxpayers. Now, taxpayers will have to foot the hefty bill, which could exceed $15 million. Hugh Keefe, the attorney for the town of East Haven, says he plans to file a motion to set aside the verdict. Keefe also says there was not enough evidence provided by the plaintiff to justify a decision. And I tried reaching out to the East Haven Police Department, but they have not returned my calls. I'm live tonight in the New Haven newsroom. Noel Gardner, News 8.
All right, Noel.